We're getting ready for kindergarten. Today is all about ABCs, identifying letters, putting letters in order, and letter sounds. Here are some activities to practice the alphabet with your child using the Kindergarten Readiness Kit. It may be helpful to pause this video as you move through each activity. First, show your child how to lace upper and lowercase letters in alphabetical order onto the string. I'll show. I'll first start with uppercase letter A, moving to lowercase letter a. This really helps to work on fine motor skills, moving to uppercase letter B and lowercase letter b. It's a fun activity. When it's completed, it will look like this. Sing the ABC song, asking your child to point to each letter as you sing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Next, point to each letter, say the letter, say a word that starts with the letter, and say the letter sound. I'll demonstrate. A, apple, A. B, ball, B. C, car, K. Using the alphabet cards, practice tracing and writing the letters with an erasable marker, or simply have your child use their finger. Continue practicing letters and sounds and writing each letter. Have your child practice writing their name, discussing with your child that their name is a word. Ask them what other words start with the same letter as their name. For more practice, complete the letter worksheets in your Readiness Kit. For more videos, go to palmbeachschools.org/kindergarten. Happy practicing!